Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be checking out a Mexican variety of ramen. We're going to be showing you a place to get some hot chicken in a jam, a new little spot where you can buy both kinds of brews, and of course, somewhere for you to get your fix for some German grub. It's wunderbar. Go ahead and smash that like button, give me a little subscribe, help the YouTube algorithm. First up is the venerated and vivacious variety available at Hunger Street Tacos, where myself and Julian have decided to stop in with a little bit of a treat. I can't take credit for this. This was all Julian. Julian calls me up, says come through. Tapatio Ramen. Now, if Tapatio's ramen wasn't exciting enough, we decided to pour some of the consomme from the Birria tacos right on there. This is such a thing of beauty. I mean, you're talking about this thick, flavorful broth that's just been stewing in there with the meat, getting poured onto this ramen. So instead of boiling hot water, we put boiling hot soup already in there. So we have to dress it up a little bit. You're getting the usual suspects here. So we're starting with a little bit of lime. This lime just really adds to that flavor. From there, we go for the fresh, taco style toppings. We're gonna get the onions in there and some of the cilantro in there, all before we add radish. Yep, keeping it traditional. And a little bit of this chili paste they've been using over there to give it a little bit of an extra kick, which was a thing of beauty. I think that's one of their secret weapons, if you're asking me. Top it off with some more cilantro and a little extra lime, and we're good to go. So the first bites go to Joe from Hunger Street Taco, who decided to take one of their handmade tortillas, roll that bad boy up, and enjoy some of that soupy, brothy Birria Tapatio ramen combination, match made in heaven. And as you can see from his reaction, I think that this was a little bit of a win for him. Great stuff, great combination of flavors. Now for me, though I enjoyed that, I had to get a little funky myself. I wanted a combination they hadn't done before. Their chorizo is among my favorite in town, and I got them to combine their chorizo quesadilla with their birria machete. So they make their tortillas from the corn in-house. So the machete style is this long tortilla and mixed in with the ingredients from the chorizo quesadilla, then grilled on the griddle and topped off with some birria. That was a match made in heaven. As you can see, I'm enjoying this and I left nothing behind. So give this video a thumbs up for me and let me know if you'd rather try that birria chorizo taco or that ramen. From there, on to Whippoorwill. Look, the place has beer and coffee. Is it a bar with coffee options, or is it a coffee place with beer options? I don't care. Either way, it makes me happy. But they had Jam Hot Chicken out there. Jam Hot Chicken is an up-and-coming hot chicken pop-up that's been, popping up all over Orlando. They're doing their style of Nashville hot chicken, twice fried, and using a variety of different oil and seasonings to achieve different heat levels. For those of you who prefer a more mild chicken sandwich, you can pretty much just get it straight up like that. And for those of you who are looking for more of that sweet, spicy heat, you can get that as well. If you are interested in checking out the hot chicken, make sure to follow them on Instagram. That's where they are posting all of their news, events, their schedule, all of that goes straight to the gram. So make sure to check that out if you're interested in giving this the old college try. And don't forget to give me a like on Instagram. Check me out at Don't Feed Sean, or Chantel is going to keep getting angry at me because I make her wait while I take pictures of food. Now, aside from hot chicken, what goes really well with beer and coffee? You guessed it, donuts. More particularly, these Orlando, get it? Or dough, Orlando, whatever. Churro donut. Yeah, look at that. That thing comes together. It is just this chocolate-filled churro donut. And let me tell you right now, that thing was absolutely choco-rific. Aside from Orlando, there were also the mini bar donuts, which is just these mini donuts. They offer large varieties of them, and they were available there for pickup for the people who had ordered them, and some for us to try. So those were fantastic as well. I mean, really, who can turn down some donut variety? I also knew it was time to get my lederhosen on. I was pretty excited to see this truck popping up. Prost. It's a German-style truck. They're actually parked up at Castle Church Brewery, which is another really awesome place. That is a hybrid church and brewery, which is a very interesting combo because they do some pretty good beers. I was excited. I got to try their Oktoberfest Marzen a little bit before it was done, and I always enjoy their Hefeweizen there. Good wheat beer. So I got a couple things from the truck. The first was the spatzel with the bacon jam, and then the best of the worst. The best of the worst is that Bratwurst, their kind of main Bratwurst, and that was as good as it looks. So we started with the spatzel. This is a German dumpling, and like I said, it has the bacon jam on there. Real flavor explosion going on there. There's a lot going on, and then the Bratwurst itself is just such a staple. So it was fantastic. Then they showed me some of their Latin flair with the arepas they're going to be cooking, and they made me a sweet arepa, honey cheese. Very delicious. I look forward to seeing what they do in the future. That is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in. Please like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what out of this looks best to you, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.